Hey kindergartners, so we're going to start today with lesson 6.6. We're talking about subtraction and what number we start with when we subtract. So if we look at this picture of these beautiful, these beautiful birds, it reads, there are some birds, one flies away. Trace and circle the X around the bird. How many birds are left? Trace the subtraction sentence. How many birds did you start with? Okay, so we are going, if we covered this up, we know it's a 6, but we're going to cover it up. How many birds flew away? 1, that's right. So we're going to lasso and X him out. He flew away. So that how many birds were left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 were left. When we make a subtraction equation, the first number is always our greatest number. And it shows how many there were all together when we started. So how many birds were there all together when we started? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've learned greater and less than. So which is the greatest number here? 6. So we start with the biggest number when we subtract. We took away 1 and we equaled 5. Because if we have 1, we couldn't start with 1 bird and take away 5. We couldn't start with 5 birds and take away 6 because 6 is the greater number. We have to start with the greatest number. So you're going to do the same thing on these 2 pages. I'm going to do the first 2 with you and then you'll finish it. So here we have, I'm going to cover up this number. Here we have some penguins. And we took away, what number is this? 6, very good. We took away 6 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's lasso the penguins and take them away. Equals, how many penguins were left? 1, 2. 2 penguins were left. But to take away 6 penguins, we had to start with a number that's greater than 6. So how many penguins did we have all together when we started? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So we start with the greatest number, which is 8. We took away 6 so that we had 2 left. Okay, so we need to figure out this number. How many did we start with? We don't know, but we took away, how many? We took away 3. We lassoed them, took them away. We took away 3. And so that equaled how many were left? 1, 2, 3 were left. Which means how many penguins, these are pelicans. How many pelicans did we start with? So we have to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we counted them all, we know that we began with 6 pelicans. We took away 3 so that we had 3 left. Go ahead and do this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then take pictures. Turn to your next page. If I can turn here, there we go. All right, this one reads, complete the subtraction sentence. Draw a picture of real objects to show what you know about this subtraction sentence. Okay, so how about we do circles? We'll make our counters. We know that we have to take away how many? We're going to take away 6. So you're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to take them away. So you're going to lasso them and put an X on them. We took away 6 counters. So that, how many counters were we left with? 1, 2. We were left with 2 counters. That means how many did we start with at the beginning? You have to count them all. Go ahead and count them all and write the number here. Do the same for this page. How many did you start with? This last page, again, how many did you start with? They took away 4 buses so that they had 2 left. Down here with our lunch boxes, count and write the number. Down here, plug in the missing numbers. 1, 2, something, 4, something. Put in those missing numbers. Take pictures of every page and send it to me. Have fun with math.